Welcome to Pod RC.
Exciting, the Mini Savage XS. We don't have a hard release on this one yet, but it is coming summer of 2011. What's nice about this is it'll do 40 miles per hour out of the box with a 2S LiPo, and you'll get over 60 miles an hour if you install a 3S.
Hey, look what I have. You guys recognize this without the body? You can probably tell from the description box below that this, my friends, is a Savage Flux HP. In my opinion, one of the best monster trucks you can get in the RC industry today. Electric, can take 2 batteries. Your choice of LiPo. I've got 3 on either side for a total of 6 cells in this. 6 cells in this piece. 6 cells in this piece.
What the hell is going on down there?
Can you handle a 6 cell?